Hello middle school students. This is an instructional video on how to select your courses for the upcoming school year. This year, all high school registration will be completed online. There will not be a paper schedule card provided. So you will need to complete your requests through your Infinite Campus portal. You can find the link to the Infinite Campus Student Portal on your middle school webpage or on the Fayette County homepage under Students and Infinite Campus. Once you get to the login screen, you want to click on Campus Student. And from there, you will select the single sign-on, the SSO option. You will be prompted to enter your username and your password. Your username is your Fayette County email, and your password is the same password that you would use to log into any Fayette County device or to your Google Classroom. Once you click the SSO option, you will be redirected to your Infinite Campus student homepage, where your current school and grade level are listed. So to register for the next year's classes, you will go to More and then choose the option of Course Registration. The only thing listed under Course Registration Enrollments will be your future designated high school. This information is based on your current address, and any changes will need to be communicated with your middle school registrar. So, for example, if you have moved and your address is not correct in Infinite Campus, you will want to communicate that information with your middle school registrar. If your address is correct in Infinite Campus, then you need to go ahead and complete enrollment for your future high school. If you have applied to a magnet school, those decisions will be released at a later time, and any changes in enrollment will be discussed then. So for right now, you do need to go ahead and complete your enrollment for your future high school. So you'll click on the next school year of your high school, and that will take you to your course request page. On this screen, you may or may not see courses already listed here. If you do see courses listed under the required option, that means that your middle school teacher or counselor have already recommended courses for you to take next school year. So for this particular student, their current math, social studies, science, and English teacher have recommended what courses they need to take in the upcoming school year. These courses cannot be changed. You will have to communicate any changes with your current counselor. It is also important that you follow the directions that were provided to you by your future high school. The number of courses required at each high school and the options listed are going to be different for every high school. So you should have received that information in the mail, or it can be provided by your current counselor. The course lists for your future high school will also be on the high school webpage. So once you have your written instructions in hand, you can go ahead and start adding the number of courses that are required for your particular high school. So to do that, you're going to click the Add Course button, and you will type in the name of the course that you would like to add as it appears on your course list. So let's say that I want to add Art 1 as an elective. I'll go ahead and start typing Art, and then all of the options appear below. So for Art 1, I'll locate it here. I want to be sure to add both the S1 and the S2 version of that course. So once I click on the course, I see the option to add it as a request. So I'm going to do that. And then I want to repeat the process for the S2 version of that class. Notice after I did that, the REQ appears beside the name of the course, and the blue plus sign changes to an X. That is how I know I have successfully added that course. Notice also that the progress bar at the top of the screen changed. Do not pay attention to the percentage or the number of units. That is going to be a little bit different for each high school. So follow your written instructions that were provided by your future high school. So let's say that I want to add an additional course. I see my required courses. Remember, those are the ones that the teachers recommended and you cannot change. I see the request that I just added. And let's say that I want to add in my alternates. So in the event that I'm not able to get into Crafts 1, maybe I want to take Film Studies as an alternate. So I'm going to repeat the process as before of typing in the name of the course. And then this time, instead of choosing Request, I'm going to choose Alternate. And notice that the letters ALT are now listed beside the course. I'm going to do the same thing for the S2 version of that course. So when I go back and look at my home screen, I see my required course, my requested course, and my alternates. It's very important that you follow the directions provided by your future high school very closely. They will tell you exactly how many courses you need to add, how many alternates you need to add. Please complete this process within the time frame given. That way we can assure that your courses will be set up for your upcoming school year. If you have any questions about this process, please speak to your current counselor and they will be able to answer any questions that you have or direct those questions to your future high school counselor. I hope you all have a great rest of the school year, and we look forward to seeing you in high school next year.